no home. Whiskey burning deep inside my chest, trying to drown the pain, but it won't rest. She left me standing in the pouring rain, took my heart, left nothing but pain. Now this old guitar's my only friend.